The insulation cover wraps the front end of your recip saw. It provides a place to grip the saw, dampens out the saw's vibrations to help prevent user fatigue, and protects the saw from damage. Over time, the rubber cover can wear. It can tear, or the rubber can wear through. Replacing the insulation cover is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the shoe. Now I'll remove the shoe clamp. I'll use a punch to remove the post from the button. Inside the housing, there's a leaf spring, and I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I'll remove the insulation cover. Now I can install the new insulation cover. I'll apply a little silicone spray to a rag and then apply it to the saw's housing. That'll make it a little easier to install the cover. Now reinstall the leaf spring. It goes into the housing with the little bent tabs facing down. There are two metal tabs inside the saw that each of the legs fit around. Now reinstall the shoe lock. There are recesses on either side of the housing for the shoe lock buttons to fit into. You'll notice that this button's a little thinner than the one on the other side. The recess for the thinner button is a little shorter. And now I can reinstall the button. I'll place a socket onto the button we've already installed and rest that on the table. Now I'll place the second button onto the shaft and tap it into place with a mallet. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the shoe. I align the shoe with the opening in the housing, insert it to the proper depth, and lock it in place. And that's how you can replace the insulation cover on your recip saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.